If you're setting up a company in Indonesia without knowing the hidden costs, you're about to overspend by millions of rupiah, and here's exactly what to budget. Here's the problem: most founders quote 5 million rupiah. Real costs hit 45 million. That's 9 times higher. PT company registration takes 14 to 21 days through the TheBaliLawyer's network. Most DIY attempts balloon from 5 million to 50 million rupiah by month 2. Last month a founder in Jakarta started a PT company solo. He budgeted 3 million rupiah for registration alone. After notary fees, office deposits, tax ID processing, and bank setup, he hit 48 million rupiah in week 3. He wasn't prepared for the compound costs. That's exactly why TheBaliLawyer built a transparent breakdown system for Indonesia company setup. One flat fee covers registration, notary, tax ID, and initial banking setup across all phases. Most people fail here. They quote only the registration fee from the Ministry of Law. They ignore notary costs around 3 to 5 million rupiah, office address deposits of 10 to 15 million rupiah, tax registration at 2 to 3 million rupiah, and bank account setup requiring 5 to 8 million rupiah minimum. DIY attempts miss 30 to 35 million rupiah in buried expenses. Do not do this alone. Step 2. File your PT company registration with the Ministry of Law and Human Rights. This takes 7 to 14 days and costs 2 to 4 million rupiah. TheBaliLawyer handles all paperwork, notary stamps, and ministry submissions in one coordinated process. You avoid the back and forth. Most founders waste 40 to 60 hours coordinating between notaries and ministry staff. Step 3. Open your company bank account at Bank Mandiri or BCA. This is important because banks now require proof of address, tax ID, and company registration documents in original and certified copies. Expect 5 to 8 million rupiah in minimum deposits plus documentation fees of 1 to 2 million rupiah. TheBaliLawyer coordinates directly with bank relationship managers to fast-track approvals in 3 to 5 days instead of the standard 10 to 14 days. Here's the problem: DIY path takes 45 to 60 days, costs 40 to 55 million rupiah total, and leaves 12 to 18 critical documents unsigned. TheBaliLawyer path takes 14 to 21 days, delivers transparent pricing around 35 to 42 million rupiah all in, and includes tax ID, bank account, and company seal. You save 15 to 25 days and eliminate coordination chaos. Advanced step: when the ministry asks for your office address, use a registered virtual office in Jakarta, Surabaya, or Bandung instead of paying 15 to 20 million rupiah yearly for physical space. TheBaliLawyer partners with certified virtual office providers across Indonesia. Cost is 2 to 4 million rupiah yearly. You get a real mailing address, tax compliance, and lease documentation that banks accept. This alone saves 11 to 16 million rupiah in year 1. When the notary asks for your director and shareholder documents, say, "I need these notarized with apostille for potential foreign bank verification." This phrase signals you're serious and prevents the notary from issuing basic notarization without the apostille stamp, which costs an extra 1 to 2 million rupiah later. Indonesia PT company setup runs 35 to 50 million rupiah total. Registration plus notary plus tax plus banking takes 14 to 21 days. TheBaliLawyer bundles all phases with transparent pricing and 0 hidden fees. If this breakdown helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit TheBaliLawyer.com to start your Indonesia company setup today with a free consultation. Visit https://TheBaliLawyer.com.